Good morning. It's day 2. It's cold this morning. It's about 30 degrees. Beautiful morning though, at least it's no rain. I did pick up a fire pit last night. So I'm going to try to get a fire going here in a little bit. Tear down my tent. I don't think we'll be needing that today, no rain. And then the plan is to get the rest of the screw foundations tightened all the way up to the ground. Get those done, and then see how I feel. Maybe get the chainsaw out and start cleaning up some of these trees. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna get a fire going here to start with, and see what other video I can get today. Okay, so I got a fire going, and more importantly, I have the tarps all down, cleaned up a little bit, so now off to the task of screwing all those piles in. Not looking forward to it, but hopefully it shouldn't take me too long. So I'll get some footage of that, keep the fire going. It's actually really nice out. I'm kind of hot already, but it's a beautiful day, sun's out. So I'll get some footage of me putting the piles in and see how long it takes. Finally done. So sorry you hear the chainsaws in the background. I think the state's here on some state ground cutting down some trees, but finally done. My watch says that I walked, let's see, 9,000 steps and burned 1,000 calories. So I think it's like 3 miles if I remember right, maybe 4. So overall, I like these. It's kind of a pain to do on a hill, but overall it's a lot easier than bringing down a bunch of concrete, digging holes. So in the video I'll show pictures of the cabin, shed, whatever you want to call it, we're building. So on each one of these piers, there'll be a post that comes up, and then a 4x6 beam that runs, 3 beams that run along each one. So I can adjust the height. The height really doesn't matter because I'll make it up in the beams, or the post, and then the beams will sit this way, and those will all be perfectly level with each other. So the post out here will be like 24 to 30 inches, and back there, there probably won't be a post at all. I'll just set the 4x6 right on the foundation screws. So that's what it'll look like. I'm gonna go take a break and get a snack and some water. So it's couldn't ask for a better fall day. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful out here. See if we can See what the park rangers are doing over there. Yeah, so over there where you see, I don't know if you can see that guy, but so that's state land right on the corner there. It looks like they're cleaning out along the dam. The dam runs on this side of the lake. Over there, there's an overflow though that runs down into the Little Pigeon River. So it looks like they're over there cleaning up some brush around it, would be my guess. So, okay, I'm gonna take a break. I don't know if I'm gonna get my chainsaw out today or not. I'm kind of tired. We'll see. So if not, I may just clean up around here and then and get on the road. So. So here's the Reolink or Reolink, I'm not sure how you say it, camera installed. So it's cellular, solar powered. So I had to raise the antenna. You can see it way up there now. I put it up last night and it was getting signal, but not very good. So I'm hoping that by putting the antenna up there, I'll get a better signal. If it works well, then in the spring I'll put a better pole up there to get it up higher. Ideally, I'd like to move this down closer to the lake, but there's just not a good cell service down there as you get down in the valley. So I'll try to post some pictures off the camera, and we'll see what those look like. Well, that's it for this trip. I'm gonna head home. It's like 1:30. Foundation's done, and decided not gonna do any chainsawing today. Just too tired and don't feel like getting started on that right now. You get to that in spring. I'll bring up some help and clear all that out. So until spring, last time I'll be here.